Good morning traders, welcome to Whore Trader UK. As you can see here by the time, it is Wednesday the 14th of July 2021 and the time is just turned 25 to 8 AM UK time. Traders, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're all having a great day. The weather is gorgeous. It's a lovely morning here in the UK. Hope you're all well. Guys, I'm going to keep this short and sweet. Just really keep it on top of a long video here, which I'm putting together for my for the pair that I'm trading, the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar. Now, let's get into the charts. Let's not mess around here. And as you can see, all my things starting to pop through here now. Let's get into the charts now. The here we are on the daily chart of the Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar pair, which, if you remember, I shot a video at the beginning of this year saying how bullish I was the Australian dollar. And guys, the fact remains is that long term, I am still bullish the Australian dollar. I actually believe that this pair, if you look here on the monthly chart, I actually believe there's a point where this pair is going to take off to the long side. I actually believe that's going to happen. I believe that all this is what we're in here at the moment is a correction. And I believe that at some point we're going to take off to the long side. However, you are able to trade within these corrections. And that's exactly what I've done, guys. Back down to the daily chart. So let's just get some perspective here. This first red arrow is where I took my first sell on that short position. The short position I took was based on the fundamentals, on the sentiment of the market. Okay. And I took a short position right here in this let me fatten this up a little. This red bar, this red arrow denotes I took a short in this bar. This blue arrow denotes where I took off half of my position. That's some 130 odd pips away, guys. Now, what then happened is price pushed all the way back up against me, okay? But I'm still bearish in the sentiment. So I decided to take another position at 1.07953. Now, the reason I couldn't enter the position here in front of you live is because had I done so, TradingView would have cancelled out my original position, which I took here, and made it all one position. So I decided to leave a marker to show you where on my live account I've re-entered a full position. So that left me with half of this position, okay, which was at this point actually in a negative or around a negative. Okay, and another new full position to go short. Well, look what's happened, guys. Just look at what's happened. The second part of this position is now hit our 50% point of taking off profit. So let me just see how many pips that is. 107. If you look to the right there, I'll try and get as close to 107.953 as possible. Let's just see how I can get. It's so sensitive, this mouse. It looks like it's okay. It looks like it's going to have to be, there you go. Okay, 107.54. Can't get any closer than that. So from a pips point of view, I've just about to bank on my live account, because I can't show you it here. I'm just about to bank 167 pips on the second half of this trade. Okay. And that's what I'm going to do on my live accounts. Can't do that in front of you because I don't like to show my accounts live, my live trading account. But here you have my analysis. Guys, you can't make this stuff up. We've got 100 and odd pips here, 130 odd pips here. We've got 163 odd pips here. Overall, and we're still in the trade, guys. We're still in the trade, and we're still looking for price to push down. Now, look how far on the daily chart. Look how far my take profit is. Now, I may not stay in this one trade and, wait for price to get all the way down there. I might take some profits off. If I get to 300, 400, 500 pips, I may close this trade out and see if I can get short again. There does come a time where you have to take profit off the table, guys. So I just wanted to show you what's going on here. Just wanted to show you once again live how a swing trader trades. Look at all this time. These are daily bars. Look at all these bars, and this is how long this trade's been going. And all I've done is just been monitoring it from time to time adjusting stops, taking profits if necessary, making decisions. It's not something that keeps me at my charts 24/7, but here I am, 200 pips up on this trade. Guys, I've got other trades which I'm going to be uploading onto YouTube once they complete. I've decided that some of the trades are so long now, I need to at least put some of them on YouTube, even if they're not complete. So that's what I'm going to start doing over the next coming days. But again, here we are, 100 and odd pips there, 167 pips there. It's beautiful, beautiful thing. And the point I'm trying to get across to you traders, I'm nothing special. I am just a guy who trades from home. And I make money from home doing this. And with time, perseverance, tenacity, dedication, you can get to this point too. So traders, thanks for looking in. I'm going to leave it there now. I've been on for, 5 minutes, just over 5 minutes. Hope you enjoyed this short video. Again, this short video here is going to be part of a bigger video, which I've already recorded, sat on my PC here. And I'll catch you very, very soon, traders. Look at it, just guys. You've got to love trading. All of this to me is it's just a picture of beauty. It really, really is. Catch you soon, traders. Thanks for checking in with me. Good evening, traders, and welcome back to Whore Trader UK. It's currently Thursday, the 8th of July, 2021, and as you can see by the clock here, the time has just turned 7 p.m. UK time. Traders, I want to encourage you to come and subscribe to the channel. Help us to grow Whore Trader UK. Get this message out to the masses. You know, there are struggling traders out there, if that's not you, guys, that are looking for this sort of service to give them some confidence, to let you know that a regular trader can do this sort of work. So guys, to help us to grow this channel, looking forward to come across, subscribe, leave a comment, and, you know, watch this space, guys. Watch this space. So, live trading all along, guys. This is what we do here. So, the pair I'm going to talk to you about is just a very quick video. All right. You really, if you're going to be a swing trader, guys, you have to, and it suits your style, because that's one of the decisions you have to make as a trader. You have to be sure that your trading suits your style, and by that I mean your lifestyle, your personality. All of that comes into what type of trader you're going to be. For me, I'm a swing trader. I like to have a view, watch things play out, and I like to go for the bigger moves. I'm not interested in 10, 15, 20 pips. Don't get me wrong, guys. You can make a lot of money trading 15, 20, 25 pips a day. You can do that and make a really, really nice living. But I haven't got time to spend all day at the charts waiting for an opportunity to turn up. Okay, taking that and then waiting for it to play out. I like to get on with my life. I'm a busy guy. I like to get out. Like now it's sunny here in the UK and I'm out, you know, I'm out and doing my thing, and that's it. So this suits my style, and hopefully if it suits yours, you'll come across and join this channel and get involved. So very quickly, daily chart, here we are. In fact, let's go down to the 4-hour chart to give it a bit more perspective. Okay, so this red arrow here, if I hover above it, look guys, look how long we've been in this trade. This is what I mean about patience. We've been in this trade since the 11th of May. All right. Now, we sold the pair. We sold the Australian dollar. Although I'm bullish, generally speaking, the Australian dollar, I'm just looking for a position to get long again. I took a shot at a short position against the longer term fundamentals. But I traded with the sentiment. And guys, it's proven us right, isn't it? So price, we entered in this bar here on the 11th of May. Price has since come down, 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 down. Look at that move, guys. Just absolutely look at that move. Let me get my arrow. Look at this move. From this entry here in this bar, look at that. That's absolutely phenomenal trading, isn't it? Now, let me just tell you, the reason I'm stopping here, because it's somewhere in this blue bar. Can you see this? Hang on a second. Let me remove that. And let me just pull this to one side. Can you see that little blue arrow just in there? Yeah? Can you see that? Well, what that's saying is that I took some profits in this bar here. Somewhere in this bar, I took some profits. And if I remember rightly, it's where the blue line is. Yeah, it says take off 50% here. So I'm just going to show you how much we made on that half of the position. down here to the blue line. So 130 odd pips, guys, on half of the position. Look at what happened afterwards. Price went all the way back up to our entry. My goodness. You know, and this is where a lot of people freak out, because not me. I was thinking, at the moment, I'm still bearish the Australian dollar. The sentiment is telling me that I need to be bearish. And my stop's up here. My stop didn't get trouble, did it, guys? And what I did, if you remember in my last video, I placed another order at this level here, 1.0793. Now, because TradingView doesn't allow me to add positions without closing out the original position, I just left this marker here. And guys, so that leaves me with half of this position on live, okay, and a full position on here, which still has some risk in that trade, because I'm actually waiting for that to get to this line before I can take off 50%. But look at how we're moving, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Let's have a look at this. 107, let's try and get as close as I can. 50, that'll do. And look at this. Look at where we got to. We got to 131 pips up. We're currently 100 pips up on this trade, and I'm just waiting, hoping that price is going to push down into this level, give me a little alert, bam, 50% comes off. So guys, just keeping you up to speed with where we are with this pair, this particular pair. All of our trades are going well at the moment. I've got two, as you can see, I've got two positions on in this one, which are both up now, doing great. Remember, this doesn't have the second. This figure here is this. This is this original trade. We can't. Again, as I say, TradingView doesn't allow me to add two positions without closing out the original position. So for that reason, I've let that run here. But on my live account, I added another position here, and we're well up. We're well up in this pair. So guys, wonderful, wonderful trading. Hope you're enjoying these videos. Traders, thanks for sitting in with me for the last 6 minutes. Look out, keep an eye out for the other videos. As I said, come across and subscribe, and I'll catch you all very, very soon. Thank you very much, traders.